Hello students, exercise 9.1, question number 1. Question is, a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. First you have to draw a diagram of this question. So one rope and one pole and vertical pole that is perpendicular. Okay, draw the diagram first. This is B with the pole, and this is AC with the rope, and angle ABC, that is angle B, is 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. So AC rope is 20 meter. So this is 20 meter and this is rope, and find the height of the pole. Pole height is not given, you have to find. So let this height be h meter, and this is pole, and ground is, that is BC is the base, that is ground level. Here see the question, 20 meter long rope, so AC is 20 meter and pole height is not given, let height be h. Okay, so here write let AB, that is h meter, be the AB be the pole, and AC be the rope. AC be the rope. Given AC equal to 20 meter and angle made by the rope, that is AC, with the ground. That means this angle is 30 degree. This is angle of elevation. So angle made by the rope, that is AC, with ground level, that is BC is the base, angle is 30 degree. So angle ACB equal to 30 degree. So out of three sides, AC is given 20 meter and we have to find the height of the pole, that is AB, H. So ratio of this AB and AC, AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is sine, with respect to 30 degree angle, sine 30 degree. So in right triangle ABC, perpendicular AB by AC, AB by AC, perpendicular by hypotenuse equal to sine 30 degree. Sine 30, AB by AC. So AB equal to H, we are taking H, and AC is 20, equal to sine 30 is half. Sine 30 half we know. So this means by cross multiplication 2H equal to 20 into 1, 20. So H is equal to 20 by 2, that is 10. So therefore, and H means height of the pole. For height of the pole is AB, is 10 meter. Height of the pole is 10 meter. This is the answer. Thank you.